So, hi everyone, my name is Krish Patel. Today I have designed and implemented a vending machine controller on FPGA board. So, the software for the programming purpose I've used is Vivado. Okay, and this is on your screen where first I have like implemented a vending machine, written a Verilog code, then added a constant file of Urbana board, then initially in the project manager I have added the files. Going to simulation I have not done yet. I've directly jumped to the, I'll show you later on. Then I've done RTL analysis, then synthesis, then implementation, and in Vivado we get a bit file is generated. So bitstream it is automatically and uploaded to the board. Going to the hardware manager, here my board is connected. From here I have programmed my device, and this is how once the program device is done, I'll go back to my FPGA. So this is my FPGA board. So hi everyone, my name is Krish Patel. Today I have designed and implemented a vending machine controller on FPGA board, which is an Urbana board. So let me first show you the implementation. Okay, so here are 3 switches. So this is my product 1, product 2 and product 3. At a time I can select only one product. So the cost of first product is 5 rupees, second product is 10 rupees and third product is 25 rupees. So what I'll do, this is my reset button. This button is used when I have to input the price of the product, which will be incremented by 5, and this is for the decrement of the 5, and this will be for the after inserting the value or the cost of the product, I can buy the product. So first system is at ideal. I have pressed a reset button. I will select a first product. The cost of the product is 5 rupees. Now it is high. So I have selected a product. Now I will set the price, which is, as I have already told you, it will be incremented by 5. So 5 it is displayed. For example, I don't have 5 rupees, I have 10 rupees. Okay. First product is selected. The cost of the product is 5 rupees. And also I have incremented. For example, if I want to decrement, so again it will be decremented by 5. But for this scenario, I'll go with the 10 rupees. I have 10 rupees and the cost of the product is 5 rupees. So in a general scenario, cost of if the product is 5 rupees and given money is 10, so change should be basically 5. So I'll press the buy button. As I press the buy button, 5 is my change, and as I mentioned earlier, product is dispensed, and if it is dispensed, second LED or LED 1 will be glow. Let's take another scenario. First I'll load my switches, reset, everything is resetted. Let me take second product. So the cost of the product second is 10 rupees. So I'll enter 10 from here, 10. Okay. Now I'll press buy. Product dispensed and change is 00. Let's say again I have taken a second product where I have inserted 15 rupees, or let's say I have 25 rupees. In that case, when I press buy button, 15 will be my change because product price was 10 and dispense is done. For example, let me take another scenario. I'll reset. Let me take, let's say we'll take a third product. So the cost of the product is 25 rupees and I have entered only 20 rupees. So in a general scenario, product won't be dispensed. Why? Because the product price is 25 and I have inserted only 20 rupees. So if I press buy button, in that case, you can see my first LED is glowing, which indicates that product price and the input which I have given is lesser. If it is greater, in that it will dispense, plus it will give me the change. Okay. So let me take one final scenario. Again, I'll reset everything. Okay. Switches are 0, 0. Reset it. This is also 0. Now, let's say third product only I'll take. I've selected a third product. Cost of the product is 25. And let us say I add 30. Okay. So cost of the brush 30, let's say, or else let me take like 55. Let's say I have 55 rupees, product price is 25, and in that case, let's see what will be my change. So change is 30. How 30? 55 minus 25 is the answer 30, and product is dispensed successfully. Again reset. For example, if two switches are on, nothing can happen. At a time, one of the switch to be on. Okay.